Good evening guys. Look at that our laundry area. See every time like this every Thursday, sorry, every Thursday. See, they have a pole in line with the barriers. Yeah, see, look at that. See. Work a little bit because it's sometimes they are not to accepted that. So, look at these people. And see, they are all in line with the letters. See, this is that happen. See, so this is the system because if you are not to do like this, there are people who are fighting because of who wants to press the line. So this one is a good way and a good system for to easily to track. Sometimes there are the lost bag. So this is really silly to tracking and see where people living now. See, yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching.
Hi guys. How are you?
Hello. Good. Okay, bye bye.